Hello everyone, Curtis back with AffinityBots. Today I want to build a personal AI assistant just like OpenClaw. We're going to do it in AffinityBots and we're going to do it with no code and we're going to do it in under 10 minutes or very close to. AffinityBots is your no-code AI platform for automation. And we're going to go ahead and do this. Very recently, I built a company competitive analysis that we deployed to Telegram just as kind of a show for an OpenClaw or how easy it is to deploy to Telegram. And then I thought, wait a minute, if we're going to compete with OpenClaw or say we're competing with OpenClaw, they are an AI personal assistant. So I thought, well, okay, well, let's make a personal assistant. Let's go ahead and do that. Now, I already made a prompt just for the save time here. So we're going to just say, and we'll just say, an agent that can act as a high quality personal assistant for both my company, AffinityBots, my company, and my personal life. It should be capable of managing my email, scheduling events, writing documents for me. It should be able to keep to-dos and overall be just my right-hand man, right? So let's go ahead and start building. Now, this should build a pretty good agent, pretty good AI personal assistant. And if you've watched any of my other videos, you know this is warming up. If you haven't, this is an agent builder that is building the agent prompt here right in front of you, and it's going to start here building any second. You can edit it anytime with the little box over here. Excuse me. And you can also edit it right there in the prompt editor manually. We're going to go ahead and set up some tools while this is building. You can navigate away from there and start connecting tools. Excuse me. And we're going to connect Gmail, Google Calendar, and we'll do Google Docs as well, just for the heck of it. And you can do any of these, though. You can do any of these and connect to Telegram. We have a ton of integrations. We have even N8N in there, so the possibilities are literally endless with this. We're going to go ahead and just do Gmail here. Let's shrink that up. Let's connect Google Calendar. Now, I already connected to these, authenticated to them. Right now, we're assigning them to the actual agent, but I already did connect to them. And I just want to reiterate, in a production, automation, production workflow type situation, specifically, you definitely would not want all of these tools connected at once. You'd want to pick just a few of them, create drafts, send email, those types of things for your agent, just so your agent has those specific tools to use, and you can create very specific tasks for those agents. We're also going to, I'm going to also give it like web search and this extract web content, just as some extra little tools, give the agent. And all right, that should give us a good agent there. For the tools, we're going to actually add some skills or a skill. I already built a skill prior to this, but I can tell you it only takes a few minutes. You can build skills with AI. We have an AI skill builder. You can import your own skills, so you can grab them from any kind of directory, import them. We have a skill scanner to make sure that they are secure, and you can also just build them from scratch. So we're just going to assign this one here. And this is your personal assistant operations framework. That gives the agent a little bit more dynamic response or prompt response to know better how to be a personal assistant. We're also going to give it some knowledge. So we're going to give it my company knowledge. And again, I've already done this. However, you can very easily add documents or websites, index websites, add documents anytime you want, and you can get your knowledge here. So you just add your knowledge here, save it, add it to the agent. Very simple, very simple. And then close this out. And we're going to go ahead and turn on memory. And I'm going to try to show you what that is. Now, we're also going to deploy to Telegram, which has its own persistent memory. It uses one thread, which is, in a sense, persistent memory, and you do not necessarily need to have this memory turned on. However, if you want to go back and forth between the app and Telegram, you do need to have this memory for if you want to have memory in both places. So, all right, let's go ahead, and looks like the prompt looks pretty good. You know, I usually would go through this and fine comb it and fine tune it, make sure that it's you know, exactly what you want. But in this demo, we are just going to continue on. So let's go ahead and test this agent. Let's see. So we got skills. Oh, we don't got. We did have skills. Where did our skills go? Did we not save it? I don't think we saved it. Ah, there we go. Now we've got our skills. Okay. So we've got knowledge, skills, bunch of tools. Let's go ahead and say, can you send an email to Sinai? Oh, and also, can you, okay, we're going to show the memory right here. Can you send an email to Sinai at AffinityBots.com? We're going to actually say, so Curtis, can you send an email to Curtis at AffinityBots.com saying that AI agents are the coolest in the world, and I love them. I love them because it's going to send from someone else. And we'll just say actually from Bob, and then right here. So and then remember. So you do have to prompt it, but remember Curtis's info. So Curtis's info. All right. That's all you really need to do. Just remember Curtis's info. It'll remember my email or Curtis's, and it'll know it for next time. So if you just say, hey, send an email to Curtis, it's going to know the email. And it might ask for a last name, actually, but no. So we've got it saved in memory. We created an email draft. All right, so it didn't actually send it, which is really a good thing, right? You don't want to just have it send willy-nilly, but I actually asked it to on that one. So yeah, it should have sent it, but we'll just say, hey, send. All right, so show you the memory here in a second. So there we go, the contact email. We don't need the sender Bob message intent, but oh well, that's okay. Next time it knows that it sent an email to Curtis. All right, and we just sent an email. Let's go ahead and check. There we go. Agents are the coolest. I love them. Perfect, from Bob. There we go. And let's go ahead and say, great. Okay. Now, create an event. Create an event for this Saturday, the 4th, right? This Saturday, the 4th, saying, or for my parties at 2 p.m. At 2 p.m. I got a party event at 2 p.m. coming up, and I want to block that out for an hour. Create, and we're going to actually, so create a 1 hour event for this Saturday. Oh, shoot. You know what? Let's do 2 hours. It's going to take a while. Let's do 2 hours. 2 hours this Saturday, 4th at 2 p.m. For Family Fun Day. All right. Let's see. Now we're just testing these here in the app before we deploy. I know I said I was going to deploy it. We're going to test them here, then we're going to deploy. So here we go. it was successfully scheduled. And let's see. There we go. How about that? 2 to 4 o'clock. Let's see. It's a little over. That doesn't look exact, right? But maybe. Oh, I did it to 2 to 4:30. That's okay. That's great. Some a little bit of extra time. It probably thought that through for me, honestly. All right. No, it didn't. It said from 2 to 4. All right. So there's a little mess up there. That's okay. That's why you fine tune your agent, guys. Okay. So let's go ahead and deploy. We're not going to try to, you guys have seen obviously that the tools are working. So we're not going to try the Google Docs. We just have it though. Let's take web off of there. Let's give this a name. Let's say this is our personal assistant. Personalized. Good grief. Holy cow. All right. Personal assistant agent. All right, and we're going to go to Telegram, and let's see here. I am going to just put that in there real quick. I'm going to revoke that, guys. So if you saw that, I am going to revoke it. All you need to do is just simply verify it. We have instructions I have really good docs in the docs telling you how to connect with Telegram. It is very simple. And it is basically like a one-click deployment. You just got to go to BotFather. So here we're going to go. Click our deployment. Create our deployment. Our deployment is live. Let's go ahead and pull up Telegram to see. So here is our personal assistant agent that we made. Let's go ahead and say start. Hello. All right. Who are you? This will take a second, of course. Telegram's a messaging service, right? So it doesn't stream. It's not like the typical chat applications that can stream. So you expect just messages back and forth. There we go. So I am your personal executive assistant. Manage your professional life. Handle personal life. Great. Okay, so okay, great. So let's send another email again. So send an email to Curtis again. So send an email to Curtis. Yeah, we don't have to actually put that in there anymore. So send an email to Curtis saying that our family fun day, our family fun day, family fun day. What did I misspell there? Family. All right. Sorry, guys. I am anal about my typing. So, family fun day has been canceled. Poor boohoo, and that we will try to reschedule later. Okay, we will try to reschedule later. Try to reschedule for another day. Okay, then delete the calendar event for family fun day this Saturday. Okay. All right. I think we got it. Let's see if it'll do it. Pretty sure it'll say that it'll send the message. It'll send the message. It might send a draft first. Now in the automations, the workflow automations, which I'm going to get into very soon. I'll show some demos on that. You can definitely, of course, drill down on this and make your agents very specific. Make sure that it's sending those emails every time if that's what you want it to do, or making drafts or whatever you want it to do. Right now we're in a demo. We are there we go. So it drafted it. It didn't actually send. So yeah, go ahead and send, and okay, so then it's been deleted. Let's go ahead and check while that's sending. Okay, so it's gone. So our calendar event's gone there. And let's see here. Oh, there we go. Family Fun Day has been canceled. All right, so we did that from Telegram. And guys, you can deploy from Discord as well. I will do another demo on that. Discord is a different monster. You are doing it. You're deploying it into your server. You want to be a lot more careful. So I will do a demo on that, and it is a little bit harder as well. I am apparently losing my voice, so we will go from there. I'm going to let you guys go, but I will do another demo very quickly, more in depth, maybe memory or whatever else. And also, for anybody that wants to give me feedback, this is my first set of demos, and I'm going to continue to keep doing them. And with AffinityBots itself, it does have dark mode and light mode. I don't know if dark mode might be better. Excuse me. For demos, I'm not sure. And so I've just been doing them in light mode. But if like a dark mode might be easier for you guys to see, and maybe, I don't know, maybe it even just looks better. Let me know in the comments or whatever. Again, I'm not very good at this. I'm learning here. So however that works, you guys get at me, and I hope to see you in a